up, guys? So I tried to get on the Vanderhall Venice Blackjack and it just won't start. So I did some research, figuring out what I needed to do. So I do have some equipment right here. So I got the NOCO starter and some equipment. So the main thing I gotta do is I gotta take the cowl. This is called the hood, but it's called the cowl. C-O-U-L. Once I take that cowl off, I'm gonna try to see if I can boost and charge it. And once we're done, I'll show you the steps. Stop. All right. So to get the cowl off, what we're gonna need is an S2. All right, S2. This S2, obviously, I'm gonna connect to this, and as you can see right here, this is where it is. So there's 4 of these right here that I gotta get out. So the S2 goes on my drill. I got the Black & Decker drill, and then this right here is the NOCO Boost Plus that I'm gonna utilize to attempt to jump start the battery. Okay, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna attempt to use that. Also with the NOCO, it comes with the alligator clips. The alligator clips, I'm gonna connect to the red, and red is positive, and I'm gonna collect the negative to the ground. And obviously I'm gonna connect this to this power source and attempt to jumpstart the vehicle. So these are the tools that we're gonna need. So next I'm gonna show you how to actually undo the cowl. So I attempted to utilize this S2 like I told you guys before, using my Black & Decker drill, but it felt as though it was too much. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this right here. Again, it's slightly bigger, it's a hexagon, and I'm gonna put that in there and I'm gonna twist it. This is how easy it is. It fits, and you're gonna twist it. You're gonna twist it counterclockwise, like so. All right, we're gonna twist it counterclockwise until it comes off. Again, there's 4 of these on either side of the Vanderhall Venice Blackjack, and my intent is to get the cowl off. Okay, and once we get the cowl off, we should be able to reach the charging compartment, and then we should be able to get the hood off and put it somewhere where it's easier to deal. Okay, so that's that work there. You can see the fasteners, so that one is off, and I'll come back and show you what it looks like. All right, as you can see, I've gotten the 4 of the screws from the driver left side of the Vanderhall Venice. I'm going to take the same tool right here and get the other 4. All right, so as you can see, I've gotten the remaining 4 of the nuts, so it's a total of 8. So we're now ready to get the cowl off. All right, so as you can see, I'm getting the cowl off right now. So when I get it off, I'm gonna put it somewhere where it won't distract what I'm doing. I'll put it separately, and that's kind of what you want to do. You take it off and you put it somewhere where it doesn't get distracted or stopped. Okay. All right, so we've opened up the engine. As you can see, the cowl is out. Right there is the positive, and I'm almost guessing that this is the ground right here, right? But I'm gonna verify that it is, because again, you have to make sure before you try to boost or start it. Okay. Okay, so I think we found the ground. It's right there. As you can see it right there, right? It centers towards the back, the front of the compartment, and you can see the lead right there, and then the ground is right there. So what we're gonna try to do is try to boost it to see if the battery is actually dead, or if all it needed was just a boost. Okay, we'll be right back. All right, so as you can see, connected the booster to the red lead right there, and then the ground is somewhere there. We've connected the booster. So what we're going to try to do right now, as you can see, we're going to try to start the engine. So we want to wait real quick. All right, so this charger is ongoing right now. We want to make sure that the battery can be fully charged. As you can see right there, that's the boost information. Right now it's showing 3 bars and 1 amber. So 2 red bars and the green being, I guess, once it's fully charged. So we're gonna leave it connected for a little bit, and then we're gonna come back to try to jump it. But there's an override. Right here is the override. If you were to press this override, it's supposed to help you with getting the vehicle started.